Wishing everyone a greener day. We all are in the same boat, and now it's our responsibility that it do not sink. A little bit of humanity towards nature can save the earth. Earth is doing its responsibility towards us by giving us a beautiful nature, and now it's our responsibility to conserve it. May we live to celebrate countless more Earth days together. On this Mother Earth Day, may the heavenly showers of happiness and good fortune pour down on you. Have a fabulous day.
Let's celebrate Earth's Day together and say no to plastics and promote the use of natural or simply biopolymers. Let the earth heal. Earth nurtures all of us, so let's not be a burden but grateful.
On the special occasion of Earth's Day, let us all come together for the thing that we actually solely depend on. So, this is Sakshi Shrivastava going to let you know more about the same. So, I am going to tell you the truth about our natural habitat, and that is that it is actually changing, and we are a part of this change. The air, the water, the food that it provides us, it is all changing. And because it is one of the most precious things that we have to defend it. We have to protect our environment. And most of the things is that we're actually not supposed to save our environment or something like that. But we are actually supposed to form a society, a world where the environment doesn't need to be taken care of. So, on this special occasion of 22nd April, let us all come together and take part in the plantation drives. Just think of it in this way, just one plant being planted by a family. There are more than 7 billion people on this planet, but just a single plant is all it takes. And just think of the impact that will have over the world. So, your small effort can have such a big impact. Apart from all this, some of the most basic things that you can do in order to improve your own surrounding is about keeping the track of the trash that you produce. Don't waste the food around you. It is very precious. You don't know the value, but it is actually very precious to us. And the second of all, never buy one time use plastics because we all know the use of plastic is so much, but it is actually non biodegradable, which is very harmful for our planet. So don't do that. And sometimes just take your bike or your bicycle instead of the car. Just a little bit of effort is all it. And if you do really want to come forward for the wildlife, then do take part as a volunteer because your small effort is all it takes.
Today is 22nd of April and we are celebrating Earth Day, and we live on planet Earth and we call it as our mother. So if we are taking everything from our planet, so we should keep it safe from lots of environmental issues such as global warming and pollution. Okay, so we should keep it green by planting trees and also reusing and recycling the old products so that in future our next generation, our upcoming generation will not get any shortage. Thank you.
Every day we are given many chances to make this world a more livable place. Let's protect the assets and reduce pollution. We must act decisively to protect our planet from both the coronavirus and the existential threat of climate disruption. On this occasion of Earth Day, let's promise ourselves to treat the earth a little better every day. Wishing you all a safe and happy Earth Day.
Hey, this is Johisana, a proud NSS volunteer. Our Earth, Mother Earth, has given us a lot of things which we cannot avail from anywhere just in free of cost. In regard to that, we really need to save our planet. This is a very time we should save our planet from the most dangerous consequences. So, a little contribution from everyone can impart a great change in the earth and the climate. So, it's my humble request to each and everyone that contribute at least a significant part from your side, maybe a little one from your side, but thousand millions of little efforts can really change the earth, and it can make it suitable for a very sustainable growth for the every coming further generation. Thank you and happy Earth Day.
Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Sharma and I'm a proud volunteer of LPUNSS. पर्यावरण की हो सुरक्षा, इससे बढ़कर नहीं तपस्या। दोस्तों, हमने जीवन में कभी कल्पना भी नहीं की थी कि हमें पानी खरीदना होगा। अब वो दिन दूर नहीं जब हमें हवा भी खरीदनी पड़ सकती है। इसलिए सेव ट्रीज, प्लांट ट्रीज और अपने पर्यावरण को स्वच्छ रखें, स्वस्थ रखें। आई वुड लाइक टू सम अप विद टू लाइन्स। वृक्ष बचाओ, वृक्ष लगाओ, पर्यावरण को स्वस्थ बनाओ। वृक्ष बचाओ, वृक्ष लगाओ, पर्यावरण को स्वस्थ बनाओ।
Hello everyone, my name is Shantari, a proud NSS volunteer, LPU NSS. On celebrating Earth Day, I would like to say something about it. So today is 22nd April and this day is celebrated in honor to Earth. Our Earth is the most wonderful planet in the solar system. Only this blue beautiful planet has everything that supports the existence of us. And that's why Sir Nielsen first understood the importance of saving this planet in 1970. He started celebrating this day as Earth Day. He realized that the condition of Earth is going to be worse day by day. Before it's too late, the people should be aware about the danger which is rushing towards us. There are so many laws, so many rules, so many regulations that should be followed. But until and unless we don't aware about this, nothing could be happen. Because art is what we all have in common. And not only by saving the greens we can save the earth, but we have to maintain the balance, the ecosystem, and most importantly, we should and we have to make our mother nature totally pollution free. And only then the celebrating of Earth Day will be significant, because Earth does not belong to us, we belong to Earth, and it is our duty to keep our Mother Earth, Mother Nature safe. Thank you and have a happy Earth Day.
As we know that nature is the most superior provider for our needs. Our basic needs of food, water and shelter are given to us by our mother nature. And that is why the good and bad quality of our life depends on the environment around us. This is why we should conserve our environment and give it the best we can do. Instead of destroying it, make it more beautiful and more helpful for the future generations.
As someone really wise has said, the real wealth of a nation is determined by the air, water, soil. Actually, the whole ecosystem determines how rich and wealthy our country is. So on this auspicious occasion of Earth Day, let us cherish the planet that we are living on.